Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure the app or web player is available. You need the client itself. Open a private browser window or the app and clear cache if signed in. Once done, disable VPNs or proxies that force login loops because they often redirect you to account prompts. You should also turn off battery savers that suspend background playback. Now proceed without signing in. You will work within limited features, but can still stream ad-supported, free content in many regions. You search for a song title, playlist, or artist page directly. Typing specific queries yields results without an account. Once you find a track, use the web player or app transient playback. Note that features like offline downloads, personalized libraries, and full background play require sign-in. Make sure to open links in the same private window so cookies don't trigger sign-in. You can create temporary queue sessions and manage volume and skip controls locally. You finish by preserving your private session for as long as you need. Avoid closing the window because the queue and settings will be lost. If the site prompts a sign-in, clear cookies, refresh the page, or open a fresh incognito window and repeat the search. This usually removes the prompt. Keep in mind ads, restricted skips, and no offline downloads are normal without an account. Troubleshooting tip: if playback stalls, disable extensions and refresh. That resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.